Hey there, friends. Today's topic is all about positivity. We'll dive into how to think positively and eliminate negativity from your thoughts. Let's get started. Firstly, let's tackle negative self-talk. Instead of "I can't do this," switch to "I can do this." Replace "I messed up" with "I'll do better next time." Instead of "I always make mistakes," opt for "I learn from my mistakes." Next, avoid blaming others in your conversations. Shift to focus to solutions and positive actions. Instead of saying "you should have done this," ask yourself how you can make a positive change. Lastly, work on not overreacting to situations. Remain calm and in control, even in tough times. You don't need an extra reason to feel bad or react strongly. Just breathe deeply and stay mindful in the moment. That's it for today. Adopting these tips will help you think more positively and foster a more positive environment around you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay positive.